sorry. Where'd you go? I love me some deer. United States government had a deer murdered on the highway trying to intimidate me. He had Timothy Solomon from South Carolina shoot the deer in the head. So God's not happy about that. Timothy Solomon, he has a deer death on him. Because they like to harass me with the name Timothy, and they like to harass me with the name Solomon from the Bible. That's why they have Timothy on my case. They put Timothy O'Hara that said he don't care about me being tortured by the United States government, even though he's a federal public defender. He said he don't care. That's what he told me. I mean, you can get the court transcript and see it for yourself if they put all the words in it that I said, because they have a habit of not doing that. So you don't have to ask. You don't have to ask Timothy what he said. All right, looks like we can't see any more deer right now. But that's all right. We know they are. We know they outside. All summer long they outside. Just got to be aware of Timothy Solomon and the United States government instructing people to execute deer on Highway 400 with the Coca-Cola vehicle taken off. United States. Oh, there he is.